Are you tired of spending a fortune on just one YouTube video? It's easy to spend $50 to $100 per video between writers, video editors, and voiceover artists. Well, the game has changed thanks to the evolution of technology. Imagine being able to create a professional quality YouTube video from start to finish, all with the help of AI technology. There are a ton of people who don't want me to tell you how to do this. You've seen some of them in the comments section. Stay tuned to learn what they don't want you to know. Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to a game-changing video. In this tutorial, we'll take you on a step-by-step journey of creating a YouTube video from scratch, all while harnessing the power of AI technology. This is not a video you want to miss, so sit back, relax, and let's create something amazing together. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube can be a great way to supplement your income. Did you know you can start a faceless YouTube channel and make money from it? The only issue with faceless YouTube channels in the past was that you had to spend a lot of money to start making videos. This is because you must outsource various aspects of the videos to professionals, and in exchange, you must pay a high fee for their services. There are several requirements for creating a faceless YouTube video. First, you will need a YouTube script, so you must hire a scriptwriter. Second, the script must be outsourced to the voiceover artist who can create a voiceover solely from the script. Third, take your time looking for relevant copyright-free images and videos to use as footage for your YouTube video. Fourth, you must outsource the voiceover, images, and videos to the video editor to be edited together to form one video. As you can see, numerous parts must be outsourced, and at the end of the day, you must pay a large sum. Even if you do everything yourself, by the time the video is finished, you will have spent a significant amount of time. The thing about YouTube is that you want to upload as many videos as possible to maximize your earnings. However, if you do everything yourself, you will become exhausted and unable to be as productive. If you outsource different parts and want to create many videos, you will spend a lot of money. The good news is that we, as Debt Busters, have devised a method for creating these faceless YouTube videos without spending much money or becoming exhausted. Isn't it insane to make a full YouTube video in less than 10 minutes? The solution is to use artificial intelligence. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Today, we'll use 3 AIs, Rytr.me for the script, Descript for the voiceover, and Pictory AI for the video. The great thing about these 3 programs is that they are very cost-effective and can help you create professional YouTube videos with just a few clicks. As I've already said, you need a script to make a faceless YouTube video. We'll use Rytr.me as our YouTube scriptwriter for today's video. We will walk you through a step-by-step process for creating your YouTube script using this software. To begin using Rytr.me for free, click the link in the description. When you click the Rytr link in the description, a page similar to this one will appear. If this is your first time using it, they will provide you with a YouTube video to guide you through the process. So for example, if we want to make a YouTube video titled How to Lose Weight Naturally, how will Rytr write the script? All you have to do is first choose the use case. Change the use case section to blog section writing. Then we have the section topic, where we will paste the script's title. So we'll write How to Lose Weight Naturally. Following that, we must add the relevant keywords to our video in the section keywords. Since we're making a YouTube script about how to lose weight naturally, we'll include keywords like fitness, dieting, and lose weight. Next, we must select the number of variants. We recommend you select 2, then click on Rytr for me to begin writing the script for you. As you can see, the generated script has 2 paragraphs, which is what we meant when we chose the option of 2 variants. Now you must choose the variant that appears to be better than the others. The process is the same for creating a 10-minute video. Ask Rytr to write the script for you until your word count is reached. Because we're showing you an example, we'll use 1 paragraph from the generated script. Following the script, we will need a voiceover. With a voiceover, it is possible to create faceless YouTube videos. Previously, you had to hire a freelancer on Fiverr to do the voiceover, especially if English is not your first language. The majority of freelancers charge a lot of money. Other companies charge around $35 for a 100-word video. It will cost nearly $500 for a voiceover of around 8 minutes long. Can you imagine paying that much for just a voiceover? The good news is that you no longer have to worry about paying too much for a voiceover. Descript will assist you in creating a professional voiceover at a low cost. Descript is one of the best voiceover software programs we found in terms of price and voice quality. Use the link in the description to try Descript for yourself for free. So now that we have the script, we will use Descript to create the voiceover. We must copy the script from Rytr.me and paste it into Descript for the voiceover to be created.
Making lifestyle changes such as exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep. It also involves developing healthy habits such as drinking lots of water, avoiding processed foods, and reducing stress levels.
As you can hear, the voiceover is natural and close to what an actual human can sound like. All that is left to do is click download and you will be able to download the generated voiceover. So instead of paying around $500 for an 8-minute voiceover, you can save a lot of money by using this AI voice generator. To get started, click the link in the description. Now that we've got the script and the voiceover, we'll need the video that the viewers will watch while listening to the voiceover. Instead of paying a video editor hundreds of dollars to combine the video for us, we'll use Pictory AI Pictory. We'll use the generated script to look for relevant images and videos that match what is written on the script. Let us now show you how to convert the script to video. The Pictory link is pinned in the description. This will allow you to try Pictory for free. Click on it to access it. When you sign up for Pictory, your dashboard will look like this. To begin creating the video, click Proceed on the Script to Video option. A blank page will appear. This is where you paste the script after copying it from the Word document. You will paste your title, and for your script, you will have to paste it below the title. The script's word count that you pasted is visible in the lower right corner of your screen. We recommend you space the lines on the script so people can read the text more easily. After reviewing it and ensuring everything is in order, click the Proceed button. After you've clicked Proceed, the next step is to select an appropriate template for your video. Browse through the templates, and when you find one that catches your eye, click Select, then choose an aspect ratio of 16:9 and click Continue, because we'll be publishing this on YouTube. We'll have to wait a few minutes after you click Continue while Pictory creates the video for us. When it's finished, it'll look like this. On the right, you can see the generated video. Pictory has included all relevant videos and audio from our script. If you want to change one of the clips used in the video, go to Visuals and look for relevant videos to replace the existing one. You can also use your images and video clips from your computer in the video. After you've confirmed that your video looks great, you can add background music. To add background music, click Audio and select a piece of music. Examine the music and select one that you believe fits your video. Once you found music you like, click on Apply and reduce the volume to 3% because we don't want it to be louder than the voiceover. After finishing the video, the next step is to add the voiceover. You can either do the voiceover yourself or have Pictory do it, but because Descript has already created the voiceover, all we have to do is add it. To add the voiceover, click Upload Voiceover and choose whether to include it in the entire video. Once you've added your voiceover, click Adjust and make adjustments to your voiceover and video, which usually are not aligned. Make sure to adjust all of the scenes to match the voice. When you've finished adjusting each scene and everything looks good, click on Save and Exit. Once everything is in order, you can preview the video before downloading it to ensure everything is in order. As evidenced by the preview, the video looks fantastic. The only thing left is to download it and upload it to YouTube. Click Generate, then Video, and your video will begin downloading. So how do you get paid after you've created your videos? People are compensated through the advertisements that appear in your video. However, some requirements must be met before you can join the YouTube Partner Program. For the YouTube Partner Program to accept your channel, it must have had at least 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. I recommend that your videos be at least 8 minutes to accommodate multiple ad breaks. After you've monetized your video, I recommend including an ad every 2 minutes, one at the beginning and one at the end. Remember that if your channel is new, you will need more time to earn money. You must first meet the YouTube requirements. You could use affiliate marketing in the meantime. How do you obtain links to the products and services you wish to promote? Depending on your niche, there are a lot of affiliate markets where you can find products and programs to sell. There are 2 websites to choose from, Digistore24.com and Clickbank.com. Once you've created an account with either of these 2, there are hundreds of products and services to promote. Look for a product similar to what you're talking about in the video. Include a link to it in the description and pin it in the comments section. All left is for you to inform viewers of the links you shared in that video. It's important to remember that if an affiliate product is related to the content they were looking at, the chance that they will buy it goes up by a factor of 10 or more. As a result, selecting a product related to the video you're making is essential for earning a second income. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Are you willing to start using AI to create your professional-looking YouTube videos? Comment down below. We want to hear your opinion on this. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube cash cow channels, and you don't want to miss this exclusive offer, our friend Matt Pard has put together a 100% free course that teaches you the secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know how to make AI-generated YouTube videos. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing how to make VIRAL AI animations with stable diffusion. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know how to make VIRAL AI animations with stable diffusion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.